I'm going to show you the ultimate cowboy bean recipe that's full of meat, full of flavor. But on top of that, we're going to go one more step. I'm going to put these on my Weber kettle with some hickory and give them some good smoke flavor. I've got a cast iron skillet on medium high, and I'm going to put a half a pound of chopped up bacon and a half a pound of Italian sausage. If you buy the links, make sure to remove the casing. While the meat's cooking, I've chopped up a medium onion, and I'm going to chop up this red bell pepper. You want to cook this long enough for the bacon to pretty well be done before we mix in the beans. I'm using an ingredient in these beans that you don't normally see in cowboy beans. I'm using these Famous Dave's sweet and spicy pickle spears. You don't have to use the Famous Dave's, and you don't even have to use the spicy or the hot ones, but you definitely want to use sweet pickles, not dill pickles, for this recipe. I used 3 of these pickle spears. I'm shooting for probably around 1/4 of a cup. Now the peppers and onions and everything's cooking down. I'm going to go ahead and put my sweet pickles in there. I'm using a 28-ounce can of Bush's Original Baked Beans. I went ahead and killed the heat. I'm going to mix these up, and I'm going to put the rest of my ingredients in here, and then they're ready to go on the grill. Got 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a little splash of some hot sauce, a little splash of some vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. That was a tablespoon of some good barbecue rub of your choice, about 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and about 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. Almost forgot a couple splashes of W sauce. I've got old Mr. Weber going with some hickory on here, so I'm going to put these guys on here and let them go for 30 minutes or an hour. I'll go ahead and put the lid on here and kill this flame. Don't want it to get out of hand. I got both vents open about halfway, so I really don't care if it gets upwards of 300 degrees or so. I want to let these simmer for a little while and let the flavors mix and those vegetables continue to soften up, and mostly just pick up some good smoke flavor. That's the reason I didn't finish them on the stove. So here they are after about a half hour. They've been cooking around 300, 350 degrees, and I'm ready to go ahead and pull these and take them in, and we're ready to eat. These are the ultimate cowboy beans. Using sweet pickles in these might be a little different, but you need to give it a try. These are delicious. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to my channel, check out a few more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. God bless you all.